Now moving on, the centre has opposed the Supreme Court's decision on implementing medical entrance exams, the National Entrance and Eligibility Test, that is NEET, this year. Central government raised the issue in the apex court. Maharshtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also come out in opposition of the medical entrance exam. He said his government will file a review petition since a large number of students would be affected by the last-minute decision of the apex court. The apex court had on Thursday directed the Medical Council of India to hold the National Entrance and Eligibility Test from this year itself. This has put hundreds of medical aspirants from Maharashtra and other states in a fix. They are supposed to prepare for an exam which is not only based on a different syllabus, but is also to be held within 3 months. The order has also put a big question mark over the fate of the state-level CET, the Common Entrance State Test, which is slated to be held on 5th of May. While the state CET is based on Maharashtra board syllabus, the All India Pre-Medical Pre-Dental Entrance Test, or AIPMT, now known as the NEET, is crafted on CBSE syllabus. And Kamlesh Sutar is joining us on the phone line with more details. Kamlesh, what are the students really saying? What are they hoping here?
The students per se, they say that introducing a new exam altogether, that too at the 11th hour, will certainly be very difficult for them, because they have already studied for one syllabus, and even as far as the parents are concerned, they too are anxious, because generally when we see after wherever the 10+2 syllabus is followed, there are various classes for entrance exam, and there's a substantial amount of investment by the parents in these classes, as well as not only a monetary investment but also investment of time and the time that is spent on studies. So introducing a new exam altogether, that too of a different syllabus, where most of the students have studied the state board syllabus, it will be difficult, and that is the reason why the state government too has decided, because it's a question of more than 4 lakh students who will be giving this entrance exam for a medical as well as engineering entrance, and that is why the state government says that they would oppose the NEET at least for this year, because the exams are just around the corner.
Kamlesh, do stay with us. In fact, just for the benefit of the viewers, let's try and explain through, just break down as to what NEET is really all about. Remember, this is the new name of the AIPMT exams, the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. It's a country-wide single examination to get through medical college. Now, the exams are to be conducted in 2 phases, 1st of May and 24th of July. The results would be out by 17th of August. Question is, who all are opposed to NEET? Now, state governments holding their own medical entrances, including Maharashtra and Karnataka, the private medical colleges holding their own medical entrance exams, these are the ones that are opposed to NEET. Why are they opposing these exams? It's because state government medical exams and private college entrance exams will become obsolete. State government medical exam syllabus is different from NEET, and syllabus NEET exams have been made compulsory this year instead of next. Also, they're just 3 months away, for which state government exam aspirants are really not prepared. Let's go back to Kamlesh. Kamlesh, how is the government sort of arguing this in court? What is their defense?
Smita, the first defense that the state government would be putting in its opposition is that there are several students whose future is at stake, and there is a lot of anxiety among parents and students equally. Also, around 4 lakh students from Maharashtra would be appearing for that exam, out of which almost 1.5 lakh students would be applying for the medical entrance. That is the MHCET, the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test that takes place, and the remaining students would be applying for medical as well as the engineering entrance exam. So also the state, another contention that the state government is likely to put before the Supreme Court is that most of the students have followed the state board syllabus here, and the NEET that will take place would be based on central curriculum, be it CBSE, ICSE or other boards. So that would be difficult for students who have been preparing all the way for last couple of years to appear for that exam.
Okay, let's just hope that the matter resolves soon without creating undue pressure on the students who are already stressed out with preparations of all kinds of examinations. Kamlesh Sutar, many thanks for joining us with those details.
Bhumata Brigade's Tripti Desai, that's breaking news just coming in. She's been whisked away from Dargah Haji Ali. She wanted to enter the Dargah. She wasn't permitted to enter the Dargah. These are pictures of
India, and Shivan was excited about it. So yeah, here's Shivan with his review of the Huawei watch.
You make a smartwatch look like an analog watch and you're sure to